Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to use ordinate dimension in AutoCAD. In the dimension panel in Annotate tab, select the option of ordinate. I will select this as my point. If I move in the horizontal direction, it gives me the distance between the reference x-axis and the point. And if I move in the vertical direction, it gives me the distance between the reference y-axis and the point. I will start with this direction. Click on the screen to specify the dimension location. So this 1 inch is basically giving the distance between this point and the reference x-axis. So this 1 inch is actually the y coordinate of this point. You can activate the ordinate command using DOR. I will again select this point and this time I'll move in the vertical direction. So this 3 inches is the distance between reference y-axis and this point. So this 3 inch is the x coordinate and this 1 inch is the y coordinate. So this 3 and 1 inch is basically representing that this point has coordinate of 3, 1. Activate the ordinate command again and this time I will select this point and specify the dimension location on screen. So this point has x coordinate as 13.02 and y coordinate as 1 inch. Let's do the same thing for some more points. So this point has x coordinate as 3 inches and y coordinate as 6 inches. Similarly, you can do the same thing for other points.